using a mouse. What is this, dear? Yeah, it's an animal, right? So where do we see this animal? Yes, we all have seen this mouse in and around our house, isn't it? Yes. So this mouse is very small in size. It has a tail and this will run so fast. Yes? Now look at here. What is this, children? Yeah. This is also called a mouse, but this mouse we find in a computer. Yes? So this is a part of a computer, right? So children, we know two mouses. One is a computer mouse and the another one is a live real animal, right? Children, in this lesson we are going to learn in detail about the computer mouse. So what are the different parts of a mouse? So look at here. So here a mouse has 3 buttons. Okay. So what are they? So this button we call it as left mouse button, and here we have another button that is called as the right mouse button, and at the center we have a scrolling wheel. Okay. And this place actually this is called as palm rest. Okay. So here we can rest our palm. When we hold the mouse, we can rest our palm on this area. And here we have a cable, right? So this computer, here this cable is actually connected to the CPU. Okay, so this cable is connected to what? To the CPU. This cable will be connected. Okay, so these are the different parts of a mouse. Shall we tell one more time? So left mouse button, right mouse button, center scroll wheel, then the palm rest and a cable. So these are the different parts of mouse, right? So how to hold this mouse? Look at here, children. So this is the third one. This is the correct way of holding a mouse. Okay, our thumb and the last 2 fingers should hold the mouse and the palm should be rest on the palm rest place, and here the index finger should hold the left button and the middle finger should hold the right mouse button. Okay, so this is the correct way to hold the mouse. So index finger on the left button and middle finger on the right button, and the other 3 fingers to hold the mouse and rest the palm on the mouse. This is the way to hold the mouse. So children, look at here. When we move the mouse, so look at here, I'm also now moving the mouse. Are you able to see a small arrow pointer? So this arrow pointer is actually calling as mouse pointer. Okay, so when we move the mouse, the pointer also moving on the screen. So this arrow we call as what? Yes, we call it as mouse pointer. Okay, so children, when we are talking about the mouse, we should know these 3 actions of mouse. What are they? First one is single click, second one is right click, and the third one is drag and drop. Single click. What is called single click? So just click the left button 1 time. Okay, that is called single click. Double click means what? Clicking the left button continuously for 2 times. It is called a double click. Okay. Drag and drop means what? Click and hold the mouse button, left mouse button, and we can move. That is called a drag and drop. These are the 3 different actions. And also we have a right click option too. Right click means clicking the right mouse button one time. That is called as right click. So these are the different actions that can be done using this mouse. Okay. So let us see how to do the single click and double click. So children, what is called single click? Clicking the left button one time. It is called a single click. So let me go to this icon and I'm going to click on this PC icon. I'm going to click one time. Okay, now I did single click. Okay, let me click on this FCC icon. Let me click one time. Yes. Okay, let me move this pointer to Google Chrome and click one time. Yes, I did single click. Let me move to this recycle bin icon. So the pointer is on this recycle bin. Now let me click single time. So I did single click. Okay, so single click means clicking the left button one time. It is called single click. So what is called double click? Okay, double click means continuously we have to click two times. So let me first go to this PC icon. Now I'm going to continuously click two times the left button. Okay, then this PC icon will open. Look at here, two times I'm going to click. I click this two times continuously. I did double click. Okay, once I did double click, then the particular icon will open. Okay, so this is the single click and double click. Now I'm going to single click on this minimize button, then the window will be minimized. Okay, so this is the way single and double click, and let me try this right click. So you all now see I'm going to click the right mouse button. That is called right click. When I click on the right mouse button, I'm getting a pop-up window. Okay, pop-up menu I'm getting. So this is called right click, just clicking the right button. So this we will not use it very often. Okay, so this right click will use very rarely. Okay, so mostly we use single click and double click. Okay, at times we use the right click option too. Okay, then drag and drop. Drag and drop means click, hold the left button and move. Look at here. Let me move this FCC. Clicking and moving. Look at here. I'm moving. Okay, clicking and moving. That is called as drag and drop. Click and move. Click and move. Okay, click and move. This is called drag and drop. Okay dears, I hope you all understood about single click, double click, right click, drag and drop. Yes? Very good dears. Uses of mouse. For what do we use this mouse? We use this mouse to draw pictures, to select any item on the monitor, and to play games. So these are the different helps a mouse is giving to us. So children, now we are going to do the book back exercise in page number 30. Brain developer. Exercise A, filling the blanks. Choose the correct answer from the hints given in the bracket. Number 1. A mouse is dash in size, small or large. What's the answer? Yes, it is small in size. Then second one. A mouse has a dash which is fixed to the CPU, tail or button. Yes, a mouse has a tail that is fixed to a CPU, right? So the answer is tail. Then third one, a mouse helps us to dash pictures, write or draw. Yes, so mouse helps us to draw picture. Okay. Then fourth one, a small arrow on the monitor is known as dash key or mouse pointer. Yeah, It is mouse pointer. Okay. Good children. Now exercise B, write T for true or F for false. Okay. What's the first question? A mouse helps to select any item on the monitor. Yes. So it is used to select item. So it is true. Second one, a mouse has 3 or 4 buttons. How many buttons will be there on mouse? 2 or 3 buttons, not 3 or 4 buttons. Okay. So here this is false statement. Then third one, the basic function of a mouse is to click. Yes. Okay. By click only we can do any action in mouse. So this is true. Okay dear. Then the fourth one, the small arrow which we see on a monitor is called stick. Yes. What is the name of that arrow? We call it as mouse pointer, isn't it? So it is not called as stick, right? So here the statement is false. Okay. So you all complete this book back to children. Very good.